With question number 2, it's important to remember that we want to answer pretty much every reading question in the same order following the QLC method. And that means we're going to read the question first, then go to the line reference, and then finally end up at the choices. And the reason this is especially important for vocab questions is they're asking about vocab words that we know in most contexts, but it's usually a different context than we're used to. So the word is going to be different, and we don't want to use the choices to bias us. So if we go to the line reference and kind of just read it unbiased, we're less likely to fall for a trap. So it's important in this case because kicks is not going to mean what we normally think it means. So let's look at this sentence here. He did not demur even when asked to fix watches, though that enterprise did spectacularly badly, and in fact earned him more kicks than kudos, for no watch he took apart ever kept time again. Well, this sentence is doing something that the SAT does a lot, which is they're juxtaposing two words to kind of highlight the meaning of the word that we care about. So we care about kicks. It's being used alongside the word kudos here. So if we knew what kudos meant, we could get this easily because it's supposed to be a contrast. So blank and kudos. Well, kudos is a positive word. It means praise. So we're looking for some sort of negative word that means the opposite of praise. And if you look at the choices, you can see that complaints is the opposite of praise. So that's a really good match, and that's why having good vocab is necessary for the SAT, even though they don't ask about like weird, crazy words like they used to. The other way we can kind of think about this, though, is still using those connotations. There are a lot of words in here that kind of make it seem like he's doing something bad. It did spectacularly badly. No watch he ever kept time again. So we get the sense that we want some sort of negative word here. Thrills is positive. Jolts is kind of weird, but probably positive. Interests is positive. Complaints is negative. So there's another good example where we can kind of use what I call dumb summaries, connotations, to better understand what we're reading, and that makes it a little bit easier to understand.